Sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now let us come to the today's class. In today's class, we are going to study what are the other modes of nutrition in plants. So, for example, the plants which is having a green pigment called as chlorophyll, they will do one thing. What is that? Chlorophyll. Those who are having a chlorophyll, what they will do? They will do the photosynthesis reaction.
Photosynthesis.
Photosynthesis reaction, and they will make their own food. Make their own food.
Own food.
So that is why the substances who can make their own food, they are called as producers. What we should call? Producers. Now,
Producer.
if it comes to some plants, as we know that some plants does not have chlorophyll. Is it yes or no? So that is why
Yes,
they
sir.
are unable to produce their own food because of no chlorophyll present. That is why we are going to study in the today's class what are the other modes of nutrition in plants. Means the plants does not contain chlorophyll. The plants which is not having a chlorophyll, they cannot make their own food. Correct or not? So
Yes,
most
sir.
plants, if you'll observe, most of the plants they have a green color pigment called as chlorophyll, and they can make their own food. That is why they are called as producers. And you remember, those who can make the food by themselves, they are called as autotrophs.
Producers.
Autotrophs. Understand, Mari? We used to call it as
Yes, sir.
autotrophs, and the phenomena is called as autotropic. What we should call? Autotrophs, and the
Autotrophic.
phenomena is called as autotropic. Do you understanding? Those who can make
Yes,
their
sir.
food by themselves is called as autotropic. Do you understand? So most of the green plants, the plants which is having a green color pigment, everything, they will produce their own food. That is why these all are under what? Autotropic. So for example, you consider some plants. I am not saying all the plants. Some plants, they do not contain chlorophyll. So that what will happen, Ra? If they do not contain chlorophyll, some plants. If you take some plants, I will take the examples also. If you take the some plants, what will happen? Do not have chlorophyll.
Chlorophyll.
Chlorophyll is not there. What will happen? No chlorophyll, no synthesis.
Photosynthesis.
No synthesis of food. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Because what is the reason? Because no photosynthesis is carried out. No photosynthesis. No photosynthesis is carried out.
Very good.
So that what will happen? No synthesis of food. So that is why, like this plant, the plants which does not contain chlorophyll, they cannot synthesize their own food. These kind of plants, they are called as heterotropic, and they are depending for food on other organisms. Do you understand? Even we are also, all the animals also heterotropic mode of nutrition, because we people are depending on either what? Either plants or some other animals.
Means,
Yes, sir. That is the reason. Because
yes,
we
sir.
cannot produce their
Sir.
own food, because we people does not having chlorophyll. So always we people will depend on green plants or other animals. That is why whatever the organism which cannot make its own food, which cannot synthesize their food, and that kind of animals is called as heterotropic animals. What we should call? Those who can make food, autotropic animals, means autotropic organisms. Those who cannot make no synthesis food. So these animals is called as, or these organisms is called as heterotropic. Please note it down. Heterotropic. Do you understand, Mari? Hari? Clear? Any doubt?
sir.
So that is what we should call it as heterotropic. So if you take here, so these organisms, they will depending the food for means to get the food on where they will depending for food on other organisms. Do you understand? So heterotropic
Yes, sir.
organisms, heterotropic organisms depends, understand, depends on other organisms to obtain their food, to
Yes,
obtain.
sir. Obtain their food.
Do you understand, Hari? Mari? So
Yes,
now
sir.
this is what? So now here if you'll observe, depending on the
Yes, sir.
understand. So here again, this depending on this, their mode of obtaining food. These all the heterotropic plants. Forget about the animals because we are studying only what now? What is our chapter name?
Plants.
What is your chapter name? Nutrition.
Nutrition and plant.
Or not. So that is what. So first way of getting plants how they can obtain the food by the natural process called as photosynthesis. Correct? A chemical reaction called as photosynthesis, which is having green color pigment called as chlorophyll, which does not having, then that plants is called as what? What we should call heterotrophic. Understand? Organism. So heterotrophic plants. Now, based upon their obtaining food, these heterotrophic plants again classifying into two types. What is that? How many types?
Two types. Again,
Two types.
two types.
Only we used to call it as, what is that? Do you know already? Parasites. One is what we should call?
Parasites, sir.
Very, very important. Parasites. And another one is, can you able to say, Hari?
Saprotrophic.
Understanding? Parasites.
Yes, sir.
Saprophytes. You understanding?
The parasites are divided into two, sir.
Which
Complete parasite and partial parasite.
Okay, saprophytes, Phytes. Please all of you write it. Saprophytes. So heterotrophic plants are classifying into parasites and saprophytes. Do you understand, Mari? So now,
Yes, sir.
like animals, even some plants also heterotrophic mode of animals. All the animals are heterotrophic only. Will you accept it or not? All the animals.
Yes, sir.
All the animals are heterotrophic mode of nutrition only. Like some animal, like all the animals, some plants also, they are heterotrophic mode of nutrition. So now this we will discuss the two type of plants, which is called as what? Parasites. Understand? The parasites plants and as well as saprophytes, which have heterotrophic mode of nutrition. What they are having? So this parasite and saprophyte, both are having which kind of nutrition? Heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Do you understand, Ingra? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Heterotrophic mode
Yes,
of
sir.
nutrition. Heterotrophic. Heterotrophic
Mode of nutrition.
Do you understanding all of you? That is what you have to remember. Now one by one we will discuss. What is the first one, Ra? What is the first one? Parasites. Today.
Sir, parasite.
Yes, sir. It are divided by two, sir. Complete parasite and partial parasite.
Yeah, very good. We will wait. But it is actually higher class one. Now, actually, it is not at all required for you. But okay, you are saying, so I will discuss. Okay. So now, let us discuss here what is the meaning of parasites means. Remember always, the plant which lives on or inside another organism, like in the sense of, you are living inside my body, then I am called as host and you are called as parasite. Do you understand? And see, inside my body, so many things used to live, but which are not helping to the body, which are not helping to the host, that is only called as, what we should call? Parasites. What we should call it? Parasites.
Parasite.
See, inside our stomach, so many bacteria is living, but they are not the parasites because we have a mutual understanding. So we will provide shelter for them and they will provide some useful things to us, our body. So useful functions to our body. That is what. So plants or animals, whatever it is, organisms which lives on or inside another organism, that another organism is only called as what? Host. What we should call? Host. Understand? And derives the food from it is only called as parasite. So these parasites will live inside our body, means inside any other organism, and they will, instead of even helping them, they will start damaging that organism and they will get the food from them. That is only called as parasite. What we should call? Parasite. So those non-green plants which obtain their food from the living bodies of other plants or other animals are called only plant parasites. What we should call? Plant parasites, or we can call it as, just simply you can say that parasites. So
what's that?
Whatever, suppose see some non-green plants which will obtain the food from the living bodies. Do you understand? Living bodies means they will get the
Yes,
food
sir.
from living plants. Do you understand? So they will live on them or inside them and they will seek the food from them and they will damage that body. That is only called as parasites.
Penetrate.
Understand, Mari?
Penetrate into it. Yes, sir.
Yes. So now the living organisms, understanding whose body is going to provide the shelter for that shelter providing body. What I should say, whom we should call as, who is that? Means the organism which is going to live. That is only we should call as what? Host.
Sir.
Understanding? where this parasite will live, that body is called as host. So this parasite will get the food from this host only. Do you understand, Mari? That is
Yes,
what.
sir.
So the living organism which is whose body is providing food, means where the parasite is obtaining food, that is only called as host of the parasite. So these parasitic plants, we are not studying animals, so plants. So these parasitic plants, how they will be present means they will be climb on the host plants from which they get all the food. Do you understanding, all of you? So they will be like, suppose if you consider, like you can see some plants are rotating on a big plants. Have you noticed it? Like a rotating living organ, they will be climbing, like hosting the plants which they get all the food. So what will happen means these parasite plants produce certain special type of roots which we used to call as sucking roots. What we should call, Mari? Sucking roots. Understanding? Can I show the picture for better understanding?
Sir, but they will tell that Hosturia some roots, sir.
I will say Cuscuta plant. Suppose, do you know parasitic Cuscuta plant? Cuscuta?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes,
I
sir.
will show you that. Now, I am saying you some sucking roots it will be produced. What is that sucking roots means? Observe very carefully. If you observe this picture, you can understand it. So, for example, what is this parasitic mode of nutrition? You can check it. Observe this picture carefully. So, what is this here? Have you noticed it? A non-green plant. What is the color of this plant? This color of the plant is called as what? Yellow color. Do you understand, Ira?
Yellow.
So now you can see this is called as.
Sir, it is in the hair of the hoster, sir.
Ah, yes, ma'am. You can see, Mari. So this is what? Not hair of the hoster. This is called as host plant or a big tree. Do you understand? Now,
Yes, sir.
this Cuscuta plant is a parasite. Have you noticed it? At everywhere, it is having some kind of a very sharp kind of things. Have you noticed it? These things.
Yes, sir.
This is called as sucking roots. What we should call?
Sucking roots.
Sucking roots. You understanding? So these roots
sir.
will go inside this host. These roots will go inside this root and they will suck whatever they want. Do you understand, Mari? That is what this plant.
Yes, sir.
So this they are having a special roots which they will get all this kind of food. So these parasite plants produce certain special type of roots which we used to call as what? Sucking roots. What we should call? Sucking roots. All of you should remember sucking roots, which
Sir,
will
no
obtain.
doubt, sir.
Ask me, Mari.
Sir, Kasakuta plant, it is a plant or it will be in the host, sir?
It will be in host. No, this is the parasite. It's a plant only, one type of plant.
Yes, sir. In that, it is as a host, sir. That is.
It is not the host. This is the host. This main plant. This is called as host. Who is providing shelter here? Who is providing shelter? This big plant.
Shelter.
This
Yes,
big
sir.
plant is providing
Yes, sir.
shelter. Correct or not, Mari? And this
sir.
Cuscuta is squeezing it. So this big plant, whatever I am drawing, this is called as host. Who is providing shelter for it? Now this which one is turning around this one? That is only called as Cuscuta plant, which is called as parasite. Do you understand, Mari?
Okay, sir, I can understand. Sir.
This Cuscuta is depending on this big plant. This Cuscuta is depending on this big plant. That is why, suppose I am depending on you, then you are my host and I am your parasite. Understand, Mari? Like that.
Yes, sir.
Here big tree is present. Big tree is not depending on this yellow one, this Cuscuta. This Cuscuta plant is present depending on this big tree. How? It will surrounding by it and it will having a special roots called as, what is this roots called as? Sucking roots.
Sucking
Understand? So these sucking roots, what they will do, you know? They will move
Sucking
inside.
nutrition,
Yeah.
nitrogen, sir, proteins.
Yeah. Whatever it is required for its growth, it will send inside.
Yes, sir.
This root will insert it inside to the stem of the big plant, so that they will suck directly. Like mosquitoes, how they will suck the blood. Mosquitoes.
Yes, sir.
Same way they will
Penetrate into it.
Yes, understanding how the mosquitoes will insert it and they will suck it, correct, Mari? Same way,
Yes, sir.
they will also suck the blood. Understanding, Ra? Means suck the blood not. Whatever the food required for them, everything they will suck like that only. Okay, da?
Yes, sir. Sir, another one doubt, sir.
Ask me.
This can be happen in the humans also, no, sir?
Humans also, Mari, inside our stomach, you can see. Suppose malaria, fungus, dengue, this all. How? These all are called as parasites only. That stupid things, bacteria, virus will enter into our body. They will make harmful to our body. And where they will get the food? They all will get the food from our body only. And they will spoil our body. That is what we can see. Understand, Mari?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
Clear? Any doubt? Ask me.
What else, sir?
Okay, that is what. Now
Yes, sir.
you can see that special kind of roots which is useful to suck all the things, all the food materials from the host. That is only we should call as what? Sucking roots. What we should call? So
Sucking
these
roots.
roots, understanding these roots will suck inside. Understanding they will suck inside this plant. Have you noticed it? They will suck inside this plant. Can you able to see the picture or not? Say yes or no.
Sir.
Yeah. So these penetrate into the host plant, and this parasite sucks the food materials from the host through these special roots only. That special roots is called as what? Sucking roots. Understand, Ra? So these will
Yes, sir.
penetrate inside. What is the meaning of penetrate, Mari? Penetrate. I'm saying you new word.
Inside,
Yeah,
inside the
penetrate
plant,
means
sir.
going inside. Understand, Mari? I am penetrating
Yes,
my
sir.
fingers. Means my fingers are going inside. That is what? P-E-N-E-T-R-A-T. P-E-N-E.
Yes, sir.
P-E-N-E-T-R-A-T. Penetrate. Please remember this. Okay, da?
Yes, sir.
Okay, write it. Penetrate.
The Dadu, sir.
Huh? I will say
Not
you.
to draw
Say you now. I will say you write.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. That is what example.
Yes, sir.
Now let us discuss. What is the examples you can say? What is the parasitic examples? The best example is Cuscuta plant. Correct.
Kasakuta.
Cuscuta. Cuscuta. C-U-S-C-U-T-A. What is that? C-U-S-C-U-T-A. Cuscuta is the example of parasitic nutrition. Do you understand, Mari? Hari? Now you can see.
Sir.
Actually, understanding this Cuscuta plant does not have chlorophyll. That is why the color is not in green color. Have you noticed it? The plant is not in green color. We can see the
It is
Cuscuta
in
plant in
yellow
which color? Ra? Which color? Ra, Cuscuta
Yellow color.
plant? Which,
Yellow color.
Cuscuta is having no green, no chlorophyll, man. So it is not in green color. Which color? Not in green color. Which color? Ra? Just now I have shown you the picture also, correct? Right? What is very bad? What is the color of the Cuscuta?
Sir. Yes, sir. Sir, I want, sir, now only, sir, I saw yellow color.
Okay. So this Cuscuta plant is present in, understanding, the Cuscuta plant has a yellow tubular structure twinging around the stem and the branches of a tree. What is the meaning of twinging around? Twinging. Twinging.
Swinging me.
Twinging means that is rotating, correct or not? Twinging around the stem. Do you understand, Mari? Stem and
Yes, sir.
branches. Stem and branches around the branches around the where? Around the host.
Around the
Around
stems
the
of
host plant.
stems and branches.
Yeah, host plant. So these kind of Cuscuta, they are having a special roots. What is this having? They have Cuscuta is having
Special
Cuscuta.
roots, sucking roots.
Cuscuta is having a special roots which are penetrate inside the stem, which are penetrate. Understand, Mari? Penetrate
Yes, sir.
inside host and sucks all the food materials.
Food materials.
Understanding is called
Yes, sir.
what we should call sucking roots.
Sucking roots.
Okay, Hari?
Yes, sir. Little bit screen down, sir.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Right, sucking roots. Now, definition you should write it. So actually, so many is there. I will say you. Actually, Cuscuta, another name we used to call as, remember, Dodder. D-O-D-D-E-R. Dodder. Another name of Cuscuta. What is that? Dodder.
Dodder.
Or we can
Sir.
call as.
Sir, mistly only called as Dodder. Dodder, no, sir.
Plant is called as Dodder. Okay.
Sir, one doubt, sir.
What, Mari?
Sir, mistly only, no, sir, called as
No,
Dodder.
no, Mistilo is another plant. Do you want to see it? Do you want to see the difference?
I saw that, sir.
No, Mistletoe, no? Spelling, tell me. Mistletou, correct?
Yes,
or
sir.
no? Mistilo is different.
Mistilo.
MIS. It is other examples. Other examples. OTH here. Other examples. If you'll take. So please note it down. What is that? Mari, you tell me. Mistletoe. Mistletoe.
Mistletoe.
Mistletou.
Yes, sir.
Mistletou. Mistletoe. I will show you the plants. Mistletoe. Next. Wheat rust and corn smut. Wheat rust. Wheat rust and corn. Wheat rust and corn smut. What is that, Mari? Corn smut.
Wheat rust and
Understanding. CORN. Corn must. Do you want to see the
yes, sir.
You want? I will show you.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Corn
sir.
smut. So this is what you can say. So
Sir,
many
and
places.
corn.
Corn must. Smut. Corn smut. SMUT. Smut.
Yes, sir.
Corn smut. SMUT. Okay, Mari. So if you'll observe
Yes, sir.
here. This is all you can see. From this all this discussion, we can say that understanding Ra. Mari, remember Kaskuta is called as Dodar.
Dodar.
And other things only called as Mistletoe and wheat rust and corn smut. Both are not same.
Corn smut.
Remember that. So in
Yes,
at
sir.
many places we have used the term called as plant parasite. So instead of plant parasite, we can use as a what? Just parasite also. Both are called as same. So why these are called as parasites? Because they do not have a pigment, a green pigment called as what? What is the green
Chlorophyll.
pigment? Chlorophyll. Do not have chlorophyll. So it cannot synthesize its own food. That is the reason. Correct or not? So that is the point.
Yes, sir.
Remember. So all these plants do not have green color pigment. Green color pigment. What is it called as? Pigment called
Chlorophyll.
chlorophyll. Green color pigment called as chlorophyll.
Chlorophyll.
So they cannot synthesize their own food. They cannot synthesize their food. So
Yes, sir.
they cannot synthesis their own food. You understand, Mari?
Own food.
Mari? That is
Yes,
what you
sir.
have to remember. So this is what we can say parasitic mode of nutrition. Suppose if you take animals. If you take many animals also live as a parasites. For example, if you take, how many of you know lice which lives in a lady's hair? Have you noticed it? Even gents also used to get examples of animal parasites. Just you have to remember, note examples of animal parasites.
Yes, sir.
Animal parasites. So you can see, Mari, which are parasites means, you remember, Mari, which is living in some other organism and also causing damage to that organism. That is called as parasites. Understanding? That is.
Yes, sir.
So for example, if you take, how many of you know lice? Have you seen it? Lice or lice?
No, sir.
They really? Your sister don't have? You can check it. Inside the hair, it will be there. Small. Animal parasites.
Yes,
Example.
sir.
Can I show you? Lice. Write it.
Yes,
Spelling
sir.
LICE. Lice. Next, bed bugs. Cows and all, you can see that. Cows, bulls and all. Bed bugs will be there.
Yes, sir.
Bed bugs, which is stick to
Yes,
the
sir.
neck and all. They will suck the blood. Bed bugs.
Sir.
Hey, bed bugs means we can say that in our history and also like in our itihasas, Puranas and all will say, which is inside our cot, man, inside our bed, which will bite means very, very painful. Do you know that? That is called as bed bugs.
Egypt under there will be a sir.
In Telugu we can call it as Nallulu. In Tamil, what we should call? Okay, I will say you. Next, in coming to the leeches. Do you know leeches? Which will observe always the blood from the human body or else any other animal body. Leeches, you don't know, Mari? LEECHES, leeches. Yeah, that Vikram movie, one movie, he will kill the one person by using these leeches. They will suck the blood. Have you remembered?
Yes, sir.
No, Mari? And also if we'll take
Yes, sir.
mosquitoes. Mosquitoes. Mosquitoes are the parasites or not?
Parasite, sir. It is a host. It will take blood, sir.
MOSQUITOS, mosquitoes. These all are called as what? Which sucks
sir.
our blood. Understanding? These all are called as what we should call? Animal parasites.
Parasite.
Now, can I show you the
Animal
pictures?
parasite, sir.
Can I show you the pictures?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will show you now. So let us discuss. Can you able to see the screen?
No, sir.
Now, tell the names one by one.
Sir, lice. Sir, lice, sir.
Lice. Lice, lice. So this is what lice. You want to see which is head lice and nits. This is what the lice, which is present inside our hair. Do you know, Mari? You can observe your sister or somebody, you can ask them how much
Sir,
pain.
it looks transparent, sir.
Yeah, it is looks almost transparent and it will suck our blood. Have you noticed it here? You can see real hair it is having. Some person's head, how it is. Understand? Very, very hard.
Sir, they will tell Koduga, sir. Koduga.
I don't know in Tamil. Telugu we can call it penu. Penu we can call.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Pain only, sir. Pain only, sir.
Penu, penu. Telugu penu. This is.
Yes,
See
sir,
how
yes,
simple
sir.
it is. Very simple. Very looks very silly, but very painful. It will suck our all the blood. You can see this kind of coops
Yes,
we can
sir.
use to get it. This is what it is. Understand, Mari? Next, second one.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Bed what? Bed bugs, correct? Bed bugs you can see. This is Telugu we can call
Yes, sir, bed
nallulu.
bugs.
Nallulu. In Tamil what we can say? I don't know. But very, very painful. If it will bite means we cannot. That is what. Bed bugs we can call this one.
Sir, in Egypt and all it will be a sir.
No, in India also there, but now it is extended. You can see in our Ramayana, that is also, even God stories also we can use these bed bugs. They will be used to bite even sometimes. This is called as bed bugs, where they will very, very painful actually. Next bed bugs after. Leeches. correct? Leeches you can see. Leeches you people know very well. I know that. Leeches, this is called as. Movies also you can watch.
Yes, sir.
This will go inside
Sir,
our
it
body.
mostly in the Kuttranam, sir.
Yeah, you can see here the leg how it is inserted inside. You can see the person who is keeping. See how they are going inside. And if they, once they will catch our body, they will never leave. They will never leave unless if you are heating it. Only for heat only they will release our body. Once they will attack. Do you understand, Ra?
Yes, sir.
That much very, very dangerous one. They will suck with. Do you know, Mari? One more specialty of these leeches, Hari.
What?
While they are
What,
entering
sir?
into our body, no pain will be there. Understand, Mari? That is a specialty of them.
Yes.
Actually, while they are entering into our body, they will release some kind of a liquid like anesthesia. Do you know anesthesia? Anesthesia means which will cause us unconscious. So we cannot feel any pain. The same way, here they will release some kind of a liquid which will cause us no pain to us. We won't feel that pain, and then only they will start entering into our body. Understand? And they will suck full blood from our body, and we will die also. Do you understand? And
Yes, sir.
as well as you can see animal blood suckers, you can see. I will show you that is also, but some name we can call it as animal blood. That is also small will be there. Blood suckers. I will show you. Animal blood suckers. That name I forgot, but I will show you. This is actually wait. I will show you. This is Mari. Ramp vampires. This is we can call it blood sucking parasites. This is which is present in animals. Animals necks and all you can find it. Have you noticed it, Mari?
Yes,
This
sir.
tick. That name is called as ticks. Tick. I forgot it. This is what I will show you. So this is very, very dangerous, Mari. Even it will attack our humans also. Tick. Ticks. Ticks. This is very dangerous. Actually, they will suck the blood. You can see animals. Animals, it is present more. Even those who are living with animals, for them also it will attack. Have you noticed it, Mari? Here, animal. Here,
Yes, sir.
this is buffalo head. Buffalo head, it is there. Have you noticed it?
Yes, sir.
Ticks attack animals. We can see. Ticks attacked animals. Ticks attached. Okay. CH attached animals. You can observe very, very dangerous. Even animal cannot grow healthy also. That much it will be. Here I have noticed it. See the dog. Abba, horrible, correct? That is what?
Yes, sir.
Very, very dangerous. And they will suck the blood like anything. You can observe here how it is present. Even animals cannot do anything themselves, correct? Because they don't have even pain also. If they will pain also, they cannot say like us. Suppose I am getting pain, I will say to my mother or my wife or you or somebody. But see animals, how they are. This is actually inside
Sir,
human.
one doubt, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, if we try to take that means what will happen, sir?
Nothing, blood will come out. That's all. Blood will means
Yes,
they will
sir.
be like, see Mari, like this they will make it. Some blood will come out, that's all. But they will stick very hard to our body, very hard to our body, so that more painful it is. Understand, Mari?
Yes, sir.
Okay, wow. That even you can observe here how it is present, even stomach also, even our body also. Here you can see very clearly how much blood it has been sucked. This is what, how much big, if you press it, then more blood will come outside because it is used to suck the blood from out the body. Okay, this is called as
Sir,
tick.
one doubt, sir.
Ah.
Sir, once that bag behind that one is filled, what will happen, sir?
Nothing will happen. What will happen?
Once the bag behind it, no, sir, that in that insect, one bag-like structure is there, no, sir.
That is what that is what the body, complete body is that only. Inside only everything will present.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
And Mari, this is what you can see, imaged, maximized image it is. See how it is sucking. Like, like weapons there. Have you noticed it?
Yes, sir.
It is having fully only body, that's all, nothing is there. This is called as ticks. Okay, Mari?
Yes, sir.
Very, very dangerous, Mari. Animals will face much problem because of this. See, they will live inside see, this is one of the ear. Malay, actually it is, I think, see how dangerous it is, Have you noticed it? It looks even embarrassing, correct? But animals, they cannot do anything. Even my cow also, before year when I'm in home due to corona, it has been affected much. So they have some spray. If you spray that spray, if you apply by mixing with water, all will die within 7 days. If you continuously spraying for 3 days, after washing, we have to spray that and we have to apply that so that they all will fall down. Do you understand, Mari? That is what it is. So, this is what the examples of animal parasites. Very, very dangerous this all. Even they will affect the humans also few times. So, this is all about that. So, that is what even you can add mosquitoes and also what? Also we can add and ticks. What is that? Ticks.
Yes, sir.
Ticks are the animal parasites. So, this is all about the today's class. I will stop with this understanding. So, tomorrow next class we will study what? Parasites over. What is the next one?
Saprotrophic. Saprophytic.
Saprophytes, not saprotropic, saprophytes. What we should call, Mari? Saprophytes. Understanding that? But this saprophytes and all, one more thing I should say, you just wait. So this is saprophytic and all, we'll study in the next class because this saprophytic also contains some plants. You can see they are non-veg plants, we can call it as like a pitcher plant, which is eating the mosquitoes.
Venus flytrap.
Yes, that pitcher plants and all. So that the symbiotic plants, this all the plants will study in the next class. But the thing is now,
insectivorous plants are
insectivorous, non-veg plants you can call them. Insectivorous or non-veg plants. So that plants will live by depending on other organisms. Means they cannot make their photosynthesis reaction. They cannot synthesize their food. They will release some kind of a sticky material. So once they will any kind of honey bee or normal mosquito or some flies will go and will stick on it. Then automatically the cap will close. So inside they will die. They will start crushing it and they will digest it. That's all. So that is what. So this is all about the parasitic mode of nutrition. Understanding parasites mode of heterotrophic mode of nutrition. And next class we'll see what is saprophytes and saprophytic mode of nutrition, and the same way as well as what is the things are present in like symbiotic plants and insectivorous plants. That is all we'll study in the next class. Is it okay, Mari? And main thing now you have to remember, you have to do one thing is just wait a minute, all of you.